So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey guys, welcome back. And on today's Daily Call, I want to answer the question, can I trade options in my IRA or retirement account? Simple answer to this question is yes, of course you can trade options in your retirement account or IRA, but only, and this is like the asterisk, that you usually find at the bottom of a page, and it's like, see the fine print, if your broker allows it. So you will have to check and make sure that your broker or whoever you're using for your IRA or retirement account actually allows the ability to trade options. Now, there's a lot of brokers out there, and I'd say use the word broker, but it's really just like an investment firm that don't allow you to do it. They either place a restriction, they don't have the capacity to trade them, so it's just a function of having the technology available to actually trade options in that account. So for example, like my wife's 403B account that she has through a local provider because she's a teacher, they just don't even have the capacity to trade options, right? So is it possible? Yes, it's possible, but they don't have the capacity to do it. So we're kind of restricted in that we can't, trade options in her teacher's retirement account. But you should be able to in your brokerage account. The one thing you will have to check is your option trading approval level. That might be something that you might want to work with the brokers. There's various different levels. Usually there's about 4 different levels, and you'll have to either work your way up or prove that you completed some education or have some training in options, have some experience in options trading. I honestly don't think it's that hard to work your way through the levels so that you can get higher trading approval. And that's something that we talked about on our weekly podcast. So if you just search either the website or our weekly podcast for option approval levels, you'll find that, and we give you some great tips about how to get your approval level increased, even if you're new and just getting started. The other thing I would say is if you want to go to a different broker, that's probably the best solution for you. There's a lot of brokers out there, preferably Thinkorswim, Tastyworks. I know that Interactive Brokers, they're not incredibly hard to actually get higher approval levels, and they do offer various types of retirement accounts. So it's not just one standard one. You have IRAs and Roths and SEP IRAs. There's a lot of different choices out there. So it might be worth an investment in your time to actually spend time transferring your account, moving it over. I know it's a lot of paperwork. I know it's sometimes a headache, but ultimately, if you get to a investment firm or broker that has a lot more capacity to trade options, it's obviously going to give you more choices and more ability to steadily grow your account without having to always trade just stock. So hopefully that helps answer the question. As always, if you guys have any other new questions or different questions you want me to answer on the daily call, please send me an email, shoot me a text or a tweet, post on our Facebook page, get in contact with me somehow, some way, and we'll make sure we get those added to our list going forward. Until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on the Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on the Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.